Are you agree? According to me, this is the best solution. It's one of the best place I know. Do you make any of these common mistakes in English? If you do, you are not alone. But all of these phrases are actually incorrect. Today, we are looking at 5 of the absolute most common mistakes that English students make. These are simple errors, but fixing them will instantly make your English sound far more natural. I have also put together a massive free ebook covering the 35 most common mistakes in English and exactly how to fix them. Let's dive right in. Main explanation. Let's start with mistake number 1. Look at this sentence. According to me, this is the best solution. The error here is that we do not say according to me in English. We only use according to when we are talking about other people's opinions or when we refer to evidence in official reports or articles. For example, you can say, according to Marie, this is the best solution. If you want to give your own opinion instead, use phrases like, I think, in my opinion, or in my view. In my view is a bit more formal, but it sounds really good. Also, notice that we never say according to us either. Instead, you should say, we think, or in our view. Mistake number 2. We're making a party for Sarah's birthday. We never say make a party or do a party. Even though those translate perfectly in quite a few other languages, they are not the correct collocations in English. Instead, we say have a party or throw a party. Have a party is the most common phrase, like we're having a party next Saturday. Throw a party is more informal, and we usually use it when we organize a party for someone else. Mistake number 3. I hear this all the time. I'm agree with you. It should simply be I agree with you. Never say I am agree. If you are asking a question, it should be do you agree instead of are you agree? Mistake number 4. Correct this sentence. I'm going to home now. It should just be I'm going home, entirely without the word to. You go to school and you get the train to work. But home is completely special. We do not use a preposition, and this rule also applies to phrases like make it home or be home. Mistake number 5. This is one of the best place I know. It should be places in the plural. When we say one of, it must always be followed by a plural noun. I often hear this mistake combined with superlatives or comparatives, but it should always be one of the worst flights, one of the most beautiful views, or one of the better students. Key insight. So why do these mistakes happen so often? A major reason is a simple misunderstanding of word types. Take the word agree, for example. Many students think that agree is an adjective, which is why they naturally want to put the verb be right before it. However, agree is actually a state verb. Because it is a state verb, we generally do not use it in continuous tenses either, meaning you cannot say, is he agreeing? Or I am agreeing with you. Similarly, the to home mistake happens because of word types. With movement verbs like go, come, or get, the word home actually functions as an adverb. As a general rule in English, we do not use prepositions before adverbs. Why it matters. Understanding the specific rules behind these collocations and word types will transform your speaking skills. When you realize that home acts as an adverb with verbs of movement, or that one of requires a group of things to pull from, the grammar finally clicks. You stop guessing and start speaking with true confidence. Strong ending. Let's do a little quiz to check what you've learned today. Try to correct these 5 sentences. 1. Are you going to make a party for your birthday? 2. Arabic is one of the hardest language to learn for English speakers. 3. According to us, you handled the problem well. 4. When are you going to home? 5. Are you agree with me? Here are the answers. Number 1 should be have a party or throw a party. Number 2 should be one of the hardest languages in the plural, using a Z sound for the S. Number 3 should be we think, in our opinion, or in our view. Number 4 should be going home without the to. And 5 should be do you agree, because agree is a state verb, not an adjective. How'd you do? Let me know know your score out of 5 in the comments and tell me which of these mistakes you have made in the past. Also, do not miss out on your free copy of the 35 Mistakes ebook. It is massive, filled with more explanations, examples, and quizzes to really consolidate what you've learned. Click the link in the description or scan the QR code to download it for free. I will see you in the next lesson.